Today we're going to learn about the mole. You may be wondering, what is the mole? It's not the animal mole. It's a unit of measurement, similar to, say, a dozen, except a mole is much, much bigger of a quantity than a dozen. We use the mole to express a large amount of very small particles in a way that we can understand and use to take the weight of a substance. As there are 12 pieces in a dozen, there are 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd particles in a mole. A mole is most commonly used to measure the weight of a group of particles in a molecule. Take a Cheerio, for example. It takes 3,155,000,000 Cheerios to circle the equator. This amount of Cheerios would have to wrap around the equator 190,776,000,000,000 times to equal 1 mole of Cheerios. That's a lot of cereal.
To be able to visually understand the concept of moles, today we are going to find how much water is in 1 mole. So to do that, we have to find the molar mass, and molar mass is how many grams of a substance 1 mole would weigh. So here we have water, H2O, and there is 1 gram of hydrogen in a mole and 16 in oxygen. So 2 times 1 plus 16 is 18 grams. That is not a lot of water, as you can see here. There is very little, about this much, and yes, this is a drinkable amount, but you would definitely want to consume more.
So what did we learn today? We learned what a mole is, how a mole is used, why we use the mole, what the mole looks like physically, and how to find the mole of a substance.
Overall, why using the mole is important? Well, the mole helps us to quantify particles that we can't usually measure or understand. It helps us to find the masses of substances when we don't have the tools of measurement.